Another gorgeous waterfall in Olympic National Forest. Wow, how's that? Other side of the waterfall is coming out the culvert here. Beautiful down here. Little creek heading down to the Wynoochee River. So we found this campground in the upper Wynoochee. It's way up here, way above the falls. And the first thing we've noticed, and you probably do too, somebody just left an atrocious, I mean, they got crap they thrown all over the place. Here they left a chair, probably broke. They got a bin. They can see a bunch of carrots and mattress and who knows what else. They don't really touch it. Somebody's shorts down there. All kinds of paper, things scattered on the ground, broken silverware. See car parts in the fire pit. I mean, the fire pit's not constructed right, and they left that full of crap. So this is the kind of thing they'll close these areas. This is a great area to have. It's just unfortunate that some people just don't take the time, you know, to take care of this. Here on the upper Wynoochee. Even though it's about the middle of June, the flow is pretty weak. This is going to be a dry summer. The sun's just starting to break through, or the clouds are breaking through up on top. Gorgeous area. If I was a fish, I'd be right in that hole here. Are there any fish up this way? Probably. I think not a lot. Beautiful. Another little waterfall along the way. Oh, we found this nice little spot here along the upper Wynoochee. We can make a little fire and roast some hot dogs. Okay, got a rip-roaring fire going, thanks to the wife. And kind of a cloudy day today, middle of June. Sun will probably come out later. But this is really a nice spot. It's a large site. You could easily get 3, 4, 5 tents in here. Like I said earlier, it's right down by the river here. Well, this flows right into the Wynoochee. Beautiful. Ah yes, so it begins again. Cooking of the hot dog. Huh. There's another hot dog joining the hot dog. Yeah. Well, we had a good lunch. Our fire's slowly burning down. Hi. Yep, okay, slow wave. Not a soul out here today. It was beautiful. I kind of thought the sun would come. It's afternoon. Last couple of days have been really hot. But no, I mean, it's brightening up, but still gorgeous out here, middle of June.